Hi everyone, I'm Sugati here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week, I will present about Chapter 10 Digital Markets and Digital Goods. Okay, uh, I will explain more detailedly about subtopic 10.2 the principle of e-commerce business and revenue models. Okay, e-commerce is a fascinating combination of business models and new information technologies. Let's start with a basic understanding of the type of e-commerce uh, and the uh, e-commerce business revenue model in detail. Okay, type of e-commerce. There are three major electronic commerce categories: are business to consumer (B2C), business to business (B2B), consumer to consumer (C2C). Okay. First, business to consumer (B2C) electronic commerce involves retailing products and services to individual shoppers, for example, Amazon, iTunes. Okay, second, business to business (B2B) electronic commerce involves sales of goods and service among business. For example, Amica's website for buying and selling chemical and energy is a good example of B2B e-commerce. Okay. The last type of e-commerce is C2C, consumer to consumer electronic consumers selling directly to consumer. For example, eBay, the giant web auction site, able people to sell their goods to other consumers by auctioning their merchandise. Okay, the e-commerce business model. There are seven e-commerce business model. First, retailer sell physical products directly to consumers or to the individual business. For example, Amazon and Blue Nile. Okay, second, transaction brokers saves users money and time by processing online sales transaction and generating a fee each time a transaction occurs. For example, eTrade.com and Expedia. Okay, market creators provide a digital environment where buyers and sellers can bid, search for products, display products, and establish prices for those products. Can serve consumers or B2B e-commerce, generating revenue from transaction fees. For example, eBay and Priceline.com. Okay, content provider create revenue by providing digital content such as news, music, um, photos, or video over the web. The consumer may, may pay to access the content, or revenue uh, may be generated by selling and advertising space. For example, iTunes .com and games.com. Okay, community provider provides an online meeting place where people with similar interests can communicate with uh, and find useful information. For example, Facebook, Google Meet, and Twitter. Okay, then uh, service provider provides applications such as photo sharing, video sharing, and user-generated content as services provide other other services such as online data storage and backup. For example, Google Apps, PhotoBucket, Add.com, and Dropbox. Okay. Uh, Portals, initial point of entry to the web along with a specialized content and other service. For example, Yahoo, Bing, and Google. Okay. E-commerce revenue model. There are six revenue model. First, advertising revenue model. A website generate revenue by attracting a large audience of visitors who can then be exposed to advertisements. Okay, second, a selling revenue model or sales revenue model. Company derive revenue by selling goods, information, or service to customer. For example, Amazon company sells books, music, and other products to customers. Third, subscription revenue model. A website offering content or service charges a subscription fee for access to some or all of its offering on an ongoing basis. Okay, free and freemium revenue model. Firms offer basic service or content for free and charge for premium for advanced or special features. For example, Google offers free application but charges for premium services. Transaction fee revenue model. A company will receive a fee for enabling and executing transaction. Example, eBay provide an online auction uh, marketplace and receive a small transaction fee from a seller. It's the seller is successful in selling an item. Okay, last FBA revenue model. Website send visitors to other website in return for a referral fees or percentage of revenue from resulting sales. Referral fees are also referred to as a lead generation fees. For example, My Points company make money by connecting companies to potential customers by offering special deals to its members. That's all from subtopic 10.2. Thank you very much.